Hey there, it's Brian from TMLP Online, showing you how to set up an 803G ONT. So the first thing you're going to see here is opening the box and the inserts you can read or toss. Inside you'll see the tiny 803G device, which has a power, a optical network connection, one phone connection, and one Ethernet connection. Also, we have the power brick. Set that aside. So there's another look at the power brick, and next to it, the 803G with its lights. And we'll have a look at the back as well. So you see there on the left, GPON, that is your optical network connection, the power connection, phone, and Ethernet. You want to take out the little plastic piece that's in the GPON. And as you can see there, there is a keyway. So when you put the fiber optic cable in there, you want to make sure the key matches up. And you'll see that in just a minute. So what you're going to do is make sure that you have your optical cable with the key that you can see in the left, as you see right there. And we're going to put that in, matching the key, and you'll push it in until you hear an audible click. And that's how you do that. Now you'll see on the back there are some mounting points right there and there, or if you wish to just set it down, there are 4 rubber feet that will stop it from moving. Now we just want to show you where that's connected, which is going to be a wall plate most likely, just like this. So you want to just make sure that both of those are connected. And that's all there is to it.